Hello everyone, I think I've uncovered another product scam on Aliexpress. So you'll see this reseller here, Aliexpress, but I think it's everything that has a picture like this. So this says real-time power display USB cable C to C, and you see the image here, it does say 240 watts. So look at what happened here, what showed up in the mail. It's literally the same image, but the 240 watts is just printed on. It's literally on this surface. It's actually kind of like melted in. So that's interesting. I'm gonna plug it in and see what happens. If it can, hold on, let me just plug this into my outlet, and then we'll plug it into my magic cutter. Oh, it won't reach the magic cutter. Well, let me try this drill. So it's charging. Right, the light came on, but that's not a real-time display. It's literally just white paint. It's only on this side. The other side is totally black. So yeah, sure, it charges. It works as a cable, but this is literally advertised as something with a display in real time, and I don't see any display going on there whatsoever. Right? So yeah, again, just plug this one in. So yeah, this thing's charging, but the display, no go. Alright, so essentially anything that has this green, neon green kind of cable, a different type of green ends, and then this black middle section, complete lie, complete scam. So I'm gonna see if I get my money back from AliExpress. I think I should. This is clearly misleading, if not just totally lying, right? It literally says real time. So this store definitely has avoid anything that store sells. They're just a bunch of scammers. And then again, I would suggest you just never buy this cable if you expect it to actually have a display in it. See you in the next scam video.